Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile guys Bluetooth setting, how to use Bluetooth setting in lava mobile and how to connect Bluetooth device in lava mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, click here Bluetooth setting and on your Bluetooth. After turn on Bluetooth friends, refresh your Bluetooth setting. And once already friends you have paired any device, so friends you can forget from here. Friends, click here forget, and after forget you cannot use this device. By which device friends you want to connect, you want to pair in your lava mobile guys, select your device. So friends, I have headphones, so friends I will connect my headphone with my lava mobile. Friends, you can see pair option. Friends, click here pair option, and friends you can pair. After paired friends, you can see pair device. You can use guys headphone, Bluetooth headphone with your lava mobile you want to use, so you can use. And friends, you can check your lava mobile phone Bluetooth device name. And friends, you want to rename your lava mobile Bluetooth device name, so you can rename lava mobile Bluetooth, lava mobile Bluetooth. I will rename. And friends, you can see device name will rename in lava mobile. And friends, you don't want to use your pair device, you want to forget, you want to disconnect, so friends click here forget option, forget. And friends, device will forget. After forget friends, you cannot use your headphone, earbud, speaker again you want to use. So friends, click here pair option, then friends you can pair, otherwise you cannot pair. So like that friends, we can use Bluetooth setting in lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.